In this video, we're going to be looking at capture-recapture. Capture-recapture is a sampling technique that can be used to estimate the size of a population, and it's based on proportional reasoning. Looking at the question on the left-hand side, Lou wants to estimate the fish population. She captures 39 out of a total population that I'll call P. She tags 39, returns them to the population. The following day, she captures 28, and of these 28, 21 have tags on. Using proportional reasoning, we can state that these two must be equal. Looking at the right-hand side, 21 over 28 can be simplified, and this would give 39 over P is equal to 3 over 4. Interpreting the right-hand side, this means that 3 out of every 4 of the fish have been tagged, and we can use this to work out what P is. Rearranging to find P, multiplying both sides by P would give 39 is equal to 3 over 4 P, and dividing both sides by 3/4, P would equal 39 divided by 3/4. This gives 52. An estimate of the population of fish would be 52. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this example, 26 have been captured and tagged out of an unknown population size. But we know the following day, 7 had tags out of a sample size of 28. Simplifying the right hand side would give 26 over P is equal to 1/4. Rearranging to find P, 26 is equal to 1/4 of P, and multiplying both sides by 4, or dividing 26 by 1/4, P will equal 26 divided by 1/4 is 104. 104 would be an estimate of the snail population size.